Hi, we're taking a look at the Evaluate Employee Evaluation System. We're taking a look at the rate method. It utilizes a graphic rating scale, one of the more common methods of employee evaluation. The system, brand new. You're taking a look at the information page here, tab 1, and then there's, of course, the evaluation page, tab 2. And on the first page here, you'll see that you put your your business name in here, and you can list up to 5 categories to evaluate employees on, and you could set a standard. Over here you'll see that you can define your scale. I do use a 1 through 5, which is one of the more common scale methods for the graphic rating scale, but you can define what you want those to say there. From there, once you define that, you can set the system to that to your liking. You can copy this system and for each department, for each position, define this and then save it, and it will be there always for when you do your evaluations. From there, you'll put in your employees' names, up to 50 of them, and the evaluator, the department. I have kind of generically filled this form out slightly. Department, hire date, review date, or which review it is, due date, job title, start wage, current rate, and the raise, and then it calculates your new wage. Um, so after you do that, you can go over here to your evaluation page. You'll notice that everything that you filled in, from your categories to your names, from there you just put in a score and a comment for each employee. John Doe, Jim Smith, those were from page 1 here. You'll notice too that if you try and type in anywhere that you're not supposed to, the system is locked, so you can't mess this system up, which is a great feature. So from there, you'll fill in some comments here and you give them all a score. Um, you'll notice that that comes here, so you can use for a quick reference. This is the rate method. There is a rank method for a forced distribution, or just a ranking method, such as using a type of bell curve type system where you let the employee know they're in the top 10%, bottom 10%, or just simply rank them from 1 to the end. Usually used in an evaluation like a focal point where you do everybody at the same time. Um, so that would have a rank section here that you could fill that in, and then that would automatically go in the form as well. So once you do this and you do this, your forms are filled out. Here is tab 1, which is also indicated here for John Doe, and the form is filled out. Again, you can't type on this page at all. Overall rate, it only brings over your recommended raise and your new wage. It brings in the score and all your standards and your scale, and you can have them sign it and the evaluator sign it. And this can really do a number of great things. The employee evaluation is a great tool for performance management, for developing your employees, for fighting unemployment claims. It's going to show documentation that you discussed issues with employees if needed. It can validate good things too, such as promotions. It can fight you know, discrimination claims. If you let somebody go, you can show, hey, you've discussed their performance issues. You can use it as a tool to evaluate your hiring practices. What are you basing your hiring off from? Evaluate your training practices. A number of things that this system can be used for. But developing employees, bringing them up to where they need to be, aligning them with the organizational goals. Um, Great tool for all of that. So thank you very much for joining me.